In this video, I will show you a short and complete tutorial on Bitwarden Password Manager, including the complete setup and guide for beginners. But before we begin this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To set up Bitwarden Password Manager, you need to come to their official website, bitwarden.com, and then click Log In. Now, since we currently have no account in Bitwarden, we will skip the email address field and come down to find Create Account. And now click Create Account. And now you can see that the official Bitwarden signup page has been loaded. And now I will fill in the details on the signup page by entering my email address. And then I will enter the name for my Bitwarden account. And now, at the bottom, click Continue. And now the next step is to go to your email account and wait, as it can take some time to receive the email from Bitwarden. Once you receive the email from Bitwarden, open it. And then come down and click Verify Email. And click Confirm. And now the next step is to create a strong master password for your Bitwarden account. It can be any long phrase with special characters that you can remember easily for a long period of time. Now, once you have entered the master password, you can see the strength of the password displayed below. In my case, Bitwarden tells me it is a strong password, so I will keep this master password and continue with the remaining steps. Now the next step is to re-enter and confirm your master password. Let me quickly enter my master password again. And now you can optionally enter a hint for your master password, but I will keep this empty for maximum security. And now the next step is to click Create Account. And now you can see that the Bitwarden account has been created successfully. Also, Chrome is asking to save the credentials I used to create this account, and I will click Never as I don't trust Chrome for saving passwords. Now just come down, and here you can find Get the Extension. And now I will click this button to install the extension. Now we come to the official Bitwarden Extension page, and to install this Bitwarden extension, just click Add to Chrome. And then click Add Extension. It can take some time for the extension to be installed in Google Chrome. Once the extension has been installed, go to the top and look for the Extensions section. And now just pin the Bitwarden extension that you installed recently. Now I will click the installed Bitwarden extension, and this will open a small box in the browser. Here, just come down, and you need to click Log In. And here, just enter the email address with which you created your Bitwarden account. And then make sure to check this option, Remember Email, and click Continue. Now enter your master password to log in to your Bitwarden account. After entering your master password, just click Log In with your master password. Once you have logged into your Bitwarden account inside the extension, it will ask you to import your existing passwords. For this, click Import Now. And now, in Imports, all you have to do is select a file format under the Data section. The file format should be selected based on the previous password manager app you used and the options listed here. But since I currently have no passwords, I will leave the file format blank. Once you have selected a suitable file format, then you must click Choose File, and then you need to browse for the password file to be imported into Bitwarden Password Manager. After selecting the format and the password file, click the Import button at the bottom to import your passwords. Now let me close the extension and go to the Bitwarden account to show the necessary settings that should be configured before using Bitwarden Password Manager. For this, go back to the bitwarden.com website. and at the top, click Login. And now I will log in to the Bitwarden account with the email address I created recently. Make sure to check Remember Email and then click Continue. Now enter the master password for your Bitwarden account. And now you can access your Bitwarden Password Manager Vault through this web app. And in this web app, at the top, you will be asked to import your passwords if you have any. I have already explained how to import your passwords using the Bitwarden extension, but you can import your passwords from this web app too. Once you have selected your password file, the final step is to click Import. Now on the left, under Tools, you can find Generator. This tool allows you to generate strong passwords instantly. In the length field, you can choose the length of your passwords. I will change it to 30. After selecting 30, you can see that the passwords are now even stronger. At the bottom, you can choose which characters you would like to include in your passwords and set a minimum number of numbers or special characters to be included. You can change these settings however you like, but I recommend keeping the minimum numbers and special characters greater than 1. Now on clicking Regenerate, the passwords become even stronger. Now in Export, you can choose to export all your passwords saved in Bitwarden in any of the file formats listed here. After selecting the export format, click the Export button to export your passwords. Now in Reports, you can find that many of these features require a Bitwarden Premium subscription, but for beginners, a free Bitwarden account is more than sufficient. And now let's go to Settings and increase the security of your Bitwarden account. For this, go to the Security section under Settings. And here, under Session Timeout, make sure that the session timeout value is set to 5 minutes instead of 15 minutes. And now, here you can choose to change your master password if you feel it is easily guessable or needs to be changed in the future. But since my master password is very strong, I will leave this option and go to the most important setting called Two-Step Login. In Two-Step Login, come down and you will find several services that you can use to increase the security of your account. Let's go to Email and enable this service. If you enable this service, a code will be sent to your email as a second verification step. To enable this service, click Manage and enter your master password and then click Continue. And now click Send Email. And now go to your email account and copy the 6-digit verification code sent to you by Bitwarden and paste the 6-digit verification code into the text box and click Turn On. And now you can see that email has been enabled as a 2-step verification method. Now similarly, to enable an Authenticator app as a 2-step verification method, go to Manage and now enter your master password and then click Continue. Now all you have to do is scan the QR code here using your Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator. And once you have scanned the QR code with Google Authenticator, copy and paste the verification code from the app into the text box here. After entering the verification code, click Turn On. And now you can see that the Authenticator app has been enabled successfully as a 2-step verification method, and now we have managed to achieve a high level of security for our Bitwarden account. If you dislike the dark theme of the Bitwarden account, then go to Appearance, and here under Theme, you can change the theme to light. But since I like the dark theme, I will change it back to dark. Now in subscriptions, you can upgrade Bitwarden to a premium account, but it is not required for 90% of people. And for beginners, the free account is more than sufficient. And to add passwords manually, just go to Vaults and scroll down. And then click New Item. Now I will show you an easier way to save and fill passwords automatically whenever you create an account or log into a website. For this, I will go to google.com and then search for the website called Pexels. Now I will click Join. And now I will create an account here by filling in the details such as name, email address, and password. For passwords, you can go to the Bitwarden Extension and then use the generator to create a strong password. And now I will copy the password and enter it here on the sign up page. And now I will click Create an account. Now I will click Never to save this password in Chrome, as I don't trust Chrome. And here you can see that Bitwarden is asking to save the password that I entered while creating an account on Pexels. I will click Save. And now you can see that the password has been saved successfully in Bitwarden. Now let's close this banner. And now I will go to the profile icon and click Logout. Now I will go to Login. And to fill in the saved credentials, go to the Bitwarden extension, and under Autofill Suggestions, click the account. And this will automatically fill in the credentials on the login page. And now I will click Login. And now you can see that we have successfully logged in to the website using Bitwarden Autofill. So if you liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.